Hello everyone. This is Dr. Muralidhar. Welcome to our channel. Are you preparing for competitive exams like UGC NET in the subject of Commerce and Management or SWAYAM, APPSC degree college lecturers or any other state level or national level exams particularly in the subject of Commerce and Management? Then in this video we bring you hand-picked, frequently asked, and compulsory multiple choice questions from the core subject of affiliate marketing. I'm also going to provide you detailed explanation of each answer in this. Right? Now we can move on. The first question is, in recent years, digital marketing has also become more reliant on either email, affiliate, both A and B, none of the above. Right. Here the answer is both A and B, email and affiliate. Basically, in the digital marketing is also known as e-marketing, internet marketing, or online marketing. In this, this marketing is mostly rely on email, electronic mail, and affiliate. These are primary and crucial roles playing for providing important of digital marketing techniques. That is the first question. Then now we will move on to the second one. Using dashed, you improve your site structure. Sites means website structure and content, and conduct promotional activities to enhance your ranking on search engines. That means whenever you are going to search in the Google or in fact any other search engines, your site structure, your content and promotional activities should come first in the topic of search engine. That should be appearing on the first item. So most probability is there the first one is going to get clicked by the customer or visitor. Right. Here, A is search engine optimization, B is social media marketing, C is social media optimization, and D is search engine marketing. Here, the main one is search engine optimization. You have to improve your structure and content and conduct promotional activities to enhance your ranking on search engines. You will be get to the first ranking while going for the search engines. Then search engine optimization is that one. Social media marketing using social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube. They are going to provide promotional activities through social media websites, and social media optimization using that and make it optimized. Search engine marketing, so here they are going to provide marketing facilities through search engine like Google, Opera, Chrome, all those. That is the this is the different activities are conducting in the affiliate marketing. Then moving on to further, in on-page SEO, on-page on the website, SEO, search engine optimization, website owners use various methods and measures within their own websites to improve their websites dash on search engines, pages, ranking, portal, data. The correct answer is ranking. In on-page SEO means website owners use various methods and measures within their own websites to improve their website's ranking on the search engine. Your website should become on the first and the ranking stays. So that is the that is what this third question is comprises. Then going for fourth one, and on page again, on page search engine optimization strategy involves dealing with elements of SEO, search engine within a website, such as what it is. See, meta tags is technical tags is content quality, all of the above, all of the above. Meta tags will be considered in that. Technical tags will also be considered in the search engine optimization. In on page, and content quality should also be efficient, effective, and competent. So that should be relevant content should always appear on your search engine optimization. So an on-page search engine optimization strategy involves dealing with the elements of SEO within the website, such as meta tags, technical tags, content quality, etc. Then next one, as meta tags help search engines dash the page They are extremely important in terms of SEO. So it is understand, index both A and B, none of the above. Here the answer is C, both A and B. As meta tags help search engines understand and index the page, they are extremely important in terms of search engine optimization. Moving further, newsletters and email marketing are frequently used by affiliates for what purpose? It's a drive website traffic, design new products, perform direct customer service, manufacture products. The correct answer is drive website traffic. Affiliates often use newsletters and email marketing as a strategy to promote product or services and ultimately drive traffic to websites. Typically, the merchants or advertisers site. Here is why the other options are incorrect. Just I am going to give you some other explanations in this. Design new products. This is usually the role of product development teams, not affiliates. And perform a direct customer service. Customer service is typically handled by the product or service provider, not affiliates. When it comes to the manufactured products, affiliate promote products, they don't produce or manufacture them. So the main goal of newsletters and email campaigns in affiliate marketing is to attract attention, engage subscribers, and encourage clicks that lead to conversions. Hence, drive website traffic is the correct answer for this. Then, affiliate commissions typically range between. See, normally affiliate is promoting the products or services of the merchant. Because of that, he is expecting commission from the merchant. So, typically the range between 1% and 5%, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 1 to 20. Here, the correct answer is 1% to 5%. Most standard affiliate commission rates, especially for physical products, fall between 1% and 5%. It like those on Amazon fall between 1% and 5%. Digital products can offer high rates, but the typical range is the lower for mass market goods. So the correct answer is 1% to 5%. Then affiliate marketing provides businesses with a major benefit by ensuring payment only when is it the affiliate links are clicked, results like sales or leads are achieved, products are advertised on social media, the brand is promoted through blog post. Affiliate marketing provides businesses with major benefit by ensuring the payment only when the results like sales or leads are achieved. So the performance based model of affiliate marketing means businesses only pay when desired action like sale or lead happens, making it cost effective and results driven. Then another one. Amazon's affiliate program, which started in 1996, is commonly known as. What is the Amazon's affiliate program? It is popularly known as is it Amazon Prime, Amazon Associates, Amazon Rewards, Amazon Affiliates? Yes, the correct answer is Amazon Associate. It is the official name of Amazon's affiliate program. It was one of the first major affiliates programs and remains one of the largest today. The next one. The first affiliate marketing program launched by PC Flowers and Gifts in 1994 was initiated by whom? Is it Google, Amazon, William J. Tobin, Jeff Bezos? The correct answer is William J. Tobin. Is credited with launching the first affiliate marketing program through PC Flowers and Gifts, making him pioneer in the world. The next question. The Performance Marketing Association reports that the percentage of brands using affiliate marketing is 50%, 70%, 81%, or 91%. The correct answer is 91%. Affiliate marketing has become widely adopted strategy with reports from Performance Marketing Association indicating that 91% of brands use it in some form or other. Then, affiliate marketing is a system where businesses pay affiliates to. Is it promote their brand identity, drive traffic or sales, create content for their website, manage customer relationships? See, the correct answer is drive traffic or sales. Affiliates earn commission for driving desired actions like traffic or sales to a merchant site. It is a performance-based relationship. Then next one, the paper lead model. There are so many models: pay per click, pay per lead, pay per commission. See, the model is designed to reward affiliates when a customer clicks a link, a customer purchases a product, a user completes an action like filling out a form, a customer returns a product. The correct answer is a customer completes an action like filling out a form. Lead in the sense providing potential customer to the merchant, means he is going to provide, he is showing interest on our product or as well as services. In PPL model, affiliates are paid when a lead like sign up or form submission is generated regardless of whether sale occurs or not. The next question, make my trip affiliate program allow affiliates to promote health products, digital marketing services, travel bookings, e-commerce platforms. The correct answer is travel bookings. Make my trip is the name itself indicates it is meant for the travel bookings. It is a travel service platform and its affiliate program revolves around promoting bookings for flights, hotels, and holiday packages. Then the next one, the four main pillars in affiliate marketing include the merchant, the affiliate, the network, and other person is it a consumer or manufacturer or supplier or marketer? The correct answer is consumer. Consumers are the end users who complete the desired action, whether it is a purchase or lead. They are the vital part of the affiliate marketing ecosystem along with merchants, affiliates, and networks as well. The next one, which of the following is not key role in the affiliate marketing ecosystem? Merchant, affiliate, customer, manufacturer. See here, the person who is not playing key role is a manufacturer. The core roles in affiliate marketing are merchant, affiliate, customer, and sometimes an affiliate network as well. But the manufacturer is not necessarily involved unless they're also the merchant. The next question, what is the main job of an affiliate in affiliate marketing? What is the main job? What is the key role played by an affiliate? Is it to develop the product, to promote the product and share affiliate links, to provide customer support, or to handle payments and commissions? The correct answer is to promote the product and share affiliate links. Affiliates earns commission by promoting products and services through unique affiliate links that track clicks and conversions. The next question, what type of affiliate program is managed and directly by business like Amazon Associates? It is a self-hosted affiliate programs, affiliate networks, online retail programs, social media platforms. The correct answer is self-hosted affiliate programs. Amazon's Associate is a self-hosted program, meaning Amazon manages it directly, not through a third-party affiliate network. It is a self-hosted program. Next one. What motivates people to become affiliates? To manage inventory and stock products? To generate passive income and promote products they believe in? To create their own products and manage the supply chain? To offer customer service prompts? Yes, the correct answer is to generate passive income and promote products they believe in. Affiliates are often motivated by earning income, especially passive income, while promoting products they are believe in their products as well as services. Then another question, which of the following is prerequisite for becoming a successful affiliate marketer? Is it owning physical store, having engaged audience that trust your recommendations, having a manufacturing facilities for products, managing shipping and inventory? Yes, the correct answer is having an engaged audience that trusts your recommendations. A trusting, engaged audience increases conversion rate, which is key to affiliate success. Audience trust leads to better marketing strategies in the affiliates. Right. Another one. What is one important skill for affiliate marketers to succeed in their role? Is it designing products, handling customer complaints, managing product manufacturing, Writing engaging content and creating compelling calls to action. That is a CTA, calls to action. Writing engaging content and creating compelling calls to action. So, effective content and strong calls to action drive traffic, affiliate link clicks, and conversions. Content is a bridge between the merchant as well as the customer and the affiliate. So if we provide relevant content, always that will be having compelling to the customer to calls to action, either sign up or recommend, or you can provide contact details, whatever it may be, the CTA will be done in that. Why is it important to know the products you are promoting in affiliate marketing? What is the important? Is it to gain immediate profit from random products? To build trust and credibility with your audience? To ensure you can promote products without any research? To only promote high cost items for higher commissions? Yes, the correct answer is to build trust and credibility with your audience. Knowing the product allows the affiliate to give authentic recommendations, which builds credibility and encourages purchases. The next one, which of the following is an example of an affiliate marketer? What is the example? A company selling products through its website? No. A company who buys products through an affiliate link? It's not. A blogger who reviews products and shares affiliate links? That is the correct answer. An affiliate network managing payments or per purchase? No. So a blogger who reviews products and shares affiliate links to other is earning the commission when readers click and buy. The another one. What does tracking system in affiliate marketing do? It generates affiliate content, process payments to merchant, builds affiliate websites, monitors clicks, conversions, and sales through affiliate links. Yes, the correct answer is monitors clicks, conversions, and sales through affiliate links will be the tracking systems are crucial. They log clicks, conversions, and sales, ensuring accurate commission payments for that. Then, which of the following is an example of unattached affiliate marketing? A blogger reviewing each product they have used, an influencer promoting a skincare product they trust, a blogger promoting softwares without endorsing them personally, an influencer recommending workout equipment they have tested. It is an example of unattached affiliate marketing. A blogger promoting software tools without endorsing them personally. Unattached affiliate marketing means the affiliate has no direct connection to the product, no endorsement, nothing. So this will be called, this is the correct answer, is a blogger promoting software tools without endorsing them personally. Right. If you wanted to get a traffic to your website, you must have content that is as well as as well as related to the highly searched topics and keywords. Is it a unique, relevant, most current, all of the above? All of the above. Unattached affiliate means it's a no direct connection. But here, if you wanted to provide good website, you should provide the content. It should be relevant, it should be unique in nature, it should be more current, it should be directly involving about the product as well as service. So the correct answer is all of the above. Thank you so much for your encouragement, thank you so much for your support, thank you for being with me. Stay tuned to boost your chances for scoring high marks in your competitive exams. Thank you one and all.